this video tutorial, we will see how to print number triangle pattern. Let's quickly move to Visual Studio Code. This is our reverse triangle pattern. We can see here in the beginning of every line there are space characters which are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 4, and those space characters are appended with number character. Number characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Along with every number, a space character is appended. Let's type code to print this pattern. This is our triangle.py file. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0 while I less than 5, the number of iteration we want. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. Our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, our I value will be 5, 5 less than 5. Condition is false and our iteration will stop here. Let's print the result. In the beginning of every line, we need a space character multiplied by I, which will give us our desired number of space characters, which is appended with number begins with 5 minus I. Number character is appended with a single space character. We need to concat integer with string to avoid type error. In the first line there are 5 5s that we can achieve by subtracting I from 5 minus I, which is going to give us 5 5s. Then we need 4 4s, then 3 3s, 2 2s and 1 1. So let's run this file in our terminal py triangle.py. This is our expected output. In the next video, we will see another type of number triangle pattern.